What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at where the spare tire, the jack, and the lug nut wrench you'll need to change a flat tire are located in a 2020 Chevrolet Trax. So like I said, it's a 2020 Chevy Trax in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. So the spare tire, the jack, and the lug nut wrench are going to be located in the rear of the vehicle. As you can see, I've already got the back hatch open. Then if we go under here and under this little carpet liner, we see this fabric loop right here. Go ahead and pick up on that and it'll fold up the first part of this little deck that's covering those items. So that first part will fold up like that, and then we can pick up on the rest of it. And on the passenger side, we see there's this hook that's kind of connected to a string. What I'm going to do is take that and just hook it on that cubby like that, and that just holds that lid up out of our way. And now we can see the spare tire and some items right here. In this styrofoam piece right here, we have our lug nut wrench, which will also be the handle for the jack right there. Then we have the actual jack itself under here. And if we pick up on this styrofoam piece and get those tools out of there, we can see our spare tire. And this is just held on by a wing nut that you'll loosen up like that. Spin that all the way off, and then you can pull that spare tire out of there. So that should be everything you need in order to change your flat tire. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.